Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. Welcome to our hands-on session on jQuery basics. Today we are going to explore all the steps that we discussed in our last session. We need a code editor and browser to develop and test a jQuery enabled HTML page. Here I am using Visual Studio Code and Google Chrome browser. I am creating a blank HTML file in my local system. I'll be adding a head and body element to my page. Always remember, the script tag should be placed inside the head element and HTML controls should be placed inside the body element. Now let me open the jQuery official site to download the jQuery library references. On this site, you will get some useful information about jQuery. I'll go to the download section for the jQuery library file. Here, you can download the library file into your local system or attach it to your project using npm or yarn. I always prefer to use the JS file hosted in the cloud for performance benefits. You can refer to the JS file hosted in the jQuery CDN domain, which is code.jquery.com, or choose from a third-party domain. We need to copy the entire script tag and place it inside the head element in our HTML page. Now, I am going to create few UI elements like header, paragraph with a sample text and a button. On click of this button, I will try to hide the paragraph. Let me first check the page look and feel in browser. Now, I will write a jQuery click event on this button to hide the paragraph. First, I need to add another script tag for the jQuery code. To initiate the jQuery function, let's add the $sign inside which I am going to write a click event for the button. Now, I need to select the paragraph to hide it from the page. Here you can see all the actions that we can use. I'll be selecting the hide function followed by a semicolon to complete the statement. Now, let's reload the page to check if the button is working or not. But you can see it's not hiding the paragraph. This is the most common mistake every beginner does. We need to add the document ready function, which ensures that the click event will only get registered to the button once the HTML document is fully loaded in the browser. Earlier, the click event was not working as jQuery was trying to register the click event before the button got created in the page. Let's reload the page again to check if the button is working or not. And now you can see the button is working as expected. I hope that you got an idea of how to start with jQuery. That's all for today's session. Thank you for being with us. We'll be back soon with the upcoming topics mentioned on the screen.